Welcome to the LUXX Kitchen and Bath Showroom Floor Model Sale. Here we have a 72-inch Portland vanity cabinet without a top. This is by James Martin Furniture. And you can have your top made locally to suit your taste, whether it's marble, granite, or solid surface. That's entirely up to you. So this is the cabinet only, 72-inch. The regular price on our website for this model is $2,899. Our special price is 50% off, which puts it at $1,449. This is U-Haul. You can pick it up and take it anywhere you want here in the Treasure Valley, or we can deliver for an additional fee within the greater Treasure Valley area. So let's look inside. If you go down here through the top, this of course is where the sinks would be. You can see inside the drawers. James Martin puts their aluminum laminate inside their drawers, keeps them very clean, very hygienic. This cutout space, of course, is for the plumbing pipes to go down. James Martin ships all of its cabinets with the back intact, and that way your plumber can decide exactly where he wants to cut out the back or even the bottom of the cabinet to accommodate the pipes. So let's look at what we have inside the cabinet. These are Savannah-style shutter doors. This half of the cabinet has space for your tall items with a nice pull-out drawer, soft close, and then it has wider drawers on this side, a little more narrow drawers over on this side, but they are quite deep. James Martin does a good job of taking advantage of all the available space. And here are the soft close cabinet doors. You can see it just closes itself very softly. And over on this side, we have more little drawers, we have the cutout for the pipes, and we have another additional shelf space. So again, this is a James Martin vanity, cabinet only, no top, no sinks, regular price $2,899. You can pick it up here at our showroom in Boise and have it for $1,449. That is 50% off of the regular price.